This video is about auto response rule. First, let me tell you what the auto response rule is. So, auto response rules auto replies to those cases that are created automatically, like web, email, etc. Auto response rule helps agent by sending initial response to the customer. Now, as if you remember, in our earlier video we have done the setup of web to case. In that case, one email already gets sent to the customer whenever a case is created from web. Let's set an auto response rule for email to case, like whenever any case that creates from email will get auto response. So in your quick find box, search for auto response and you will find a case auto response rule up here under services. Go there and create a new auto response rule. Now first you have to provide the rule name. Make it active and save it. Now the next step is to fill out the entries of this auto response rule. So click on the auto response rule name and under rule detail you will find rule entries. Click on new button here and in here you have to provide the sort order in which order the auto response rule will work. For now I'm giving it 1 and second step is to enter the rule criteria. So if you remember, whenever we set email to case, the case origin will be email and the priority will be high. So let's select a criteria where key email status is new and second must be the priority is high and last is origin. The origin must be email type. Here so these are the rule entries. Now you can provide the name and address of address to include on auto response message. So include let's say initial response. Now next is to provide the email address from which email address this mail should get sent. Now there is a restriction for those email that you have used for email to case. You cannot use same email. You have to either define one org-wide email or you can use one of the users email that is registered into your org. So right now I'm going to use my email, my own email, and from here you have to select the email template. Let's say let's select case response here and save. Okay, so let me I have to validate the email that I have used into my org. Let me go to my setup and verify it. Go to users, open your email, open your user and click verify next to the email that is used. So it is already verified. Let me use this email ID. Yes, I have used the wrong one. Here Now this auto response rule is saved and you can test it. So let me show you how you can test it. If you see here, this is the email that I am going to send to the registered email ID for email to case, and we'll see if we get an auto response or not. So here is the email that I got in return of my case creation. If you see here, I have given the name as initial response. This is how the auto response rule work. Now I didn't have tweaked the email template that I have used, but you can always provide a better structure of your email. So that's it for auto response rule. Now in our next session we are going to cover queues. Thank you.